back to my YouTube channel today. We're here with Anya and Lucian. Again. Hello? So guys, today we're doing the deaf and mute blind challenge. I'm mute and I have music. I'm deaf and I have music. Anya's mute so she can't talk. And Lucian is blind. And she has her little thing. Stop, no one with me. Oh, I'm sorry. Anyways. So we're gonna start baking now. Oh, what's up? Well, where? Okay, good, right? Why, girl, Anya can't talk. Okay, but let's figure out. What the heck? Hey, we're in the box. Don't go on me. Lucian, you might want to move that. It's okay, leave it. Don't put it down. What did you do? She hit me so I hit her down. Spray. Where's Andrea? Give me a second. So you're the best. Give me this. Hello? Why are you so close? No. Don't use this. Actually, that works. Are we making brownies or cake? Oh yeah. What was that? Brownies? I don't like cake. Brownies. Oh, was that cake? Brownies. Did you? Yes. Yes? On your back? Yes. We're making brownies. Okay. dancing. Oh, then got me yellow teeth. I want to do it. 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 Lucia, I'm gonna spray you, okay, with butter.
What color are the sprinkles? Rainbow?
Yes. Some of them are dope. Someone has to hit with all that smoke.
White? Yeah. No, they're not white. Are they red? No! Are they rainbow? I don't know what that means, sorry.
If you want to see it like this. No, camera. Can you switch myself? You should. You want to lick it? That didn't work.
Woo! Brownies.
Okay guys, so we just finished baking, and now we are going to clean up the kitchen and then come back when the brownies are done.
I put red sprinkles in
Nice. So basically, update, the brownies are really good.
Very yummy.
And they have no sugar in them, so I can eat all of them. I can't. You're fat. Lucian's right there. She was in the clip the whole time. Hope she knows that one right there. Now we're gonna play an ice bucket challenge, but I'm not recording that. Bye.
Thank God.
I can't give you what you want without